Look now, President Joe Biden announcing a new security deal with the United Kingdom and Australia. Under that plan, Australia will drop a deal to build a new fleet of French-designed submarines and will instead team up to build a nuclear-powered fleet with the U.S. That incorporates British technology. You can watch the president's speech right now. We have put it on our CBS 46 Facebook page. Tonight, a victim of the Dunwoody apartment explosion is preparing to take her case to court. Sherelle Baker was parked outside that building when it exploded over the weekend. She says debris smashed through her windshield and knocked her unconscious. CBS 46's Sierra Cummings is live for us tonight. Sierra, that woman now being represented by a major law firm.
Yeah, that victim is really just counting her blessings tonight. The 27-year-old is dealing with a concussion and bruising. Although she was not a resident, she was here in her car waiting along the building for some coworkers. That's when the apartment exploded, knocking her unconscious.
It was terrifying. I don't think words can really describe it.
Sherelle Baker says Saturday's explosion was completely avoidable. She calls it pure luck that the only damage came to the property and injuries for her and 3 others.
Very grateful that people survived, but I couldn't believe that no one had passed away.
While she's dealing with a concussion, attorney Dylan Best argues the emotional trauma of it all is heavy, but he also claims Arrive Apartments management is adding an additional burden by interfering in the investigation.
So we haven't gotten that access yet, but we certainly will. Arrive can allow us to do that the easy way by cooperating with us, or we can do it the more difficult way.
According to the Morgan & Morgan law firm, the complex's team stopped them from going onto the property today to begin their joint scene investigation. A review lawyer say is common to ensure all sides have equal access to evidence. Video from this weekend shows the aftermath of Sherelle Baker's car. You can see it under the debris here where moments before she tells us she was knocked unconscious. They believe debris slammed through the windshield, hitting her in the head.
Something happened, someone didn't do their job, and so I feel as though that's how I feel.
Buildings don't just blow up.
Baker was at the property waiting for friends. She was not a resident, but those who do live here claim they repeatedly complain about a possible gas leak. In fact, only minutes before the explosion, inspection crews confirmed they were already headed here to investigate.
Do your job. That's pretty much what it is. Do your job, and things like this just might not happen.
And still, as of this afternoon, Arrive Apartments has not responded to multiple requests for comments, but you can see out here today, just by the number of trucks, that crews and city departments are out here investigating. We're working to bring you the latest updates coming up here tonight.